Wow, pancake with
chocolate.
chocolate. Sige, tapon mo na. Buhos.
Yan.
Sige pa, isa lang.
Isa lang daw.
Let's add 1 cup of water first. Let's add 3/4 cup of milk. It's too much.
Okay. Mix mo na, mix. Good. Are you a special helper? What are you making?
Pancakes.
Pancakes?
I'm helping Ate wash the dishes, and after that, I'm helping Ate make pancakes.
Bait ng baby ko Are you gonna help ate again to wash dishes?
Yes.
Bait oh. Sino mabait?
Ano ba yan? Kailan pa tayo matatapos dito?
Ang ginagawa mo?
Pancakes.
Okay, hold on. Let me break down the things.
Wait, no, wait.
Ang galing-galing niya talaga Are you happy? Happy nga ate? Gawa ng pancake. Ano naman bebe? Is it pancake or pancake? It's
Pancake. Oh, I'm gonna.
Yan, luto na yung pancake ni Bebe. Halika, Bebe, niya. Sinong gumawa ng pancake? Halika, Garto, kain ka na dito. Wow, pancake with
Chocolate.
chocolate.
The bottom is burned.
It's not.
And the other one is burned.
The other one is burnt. Ano ba kasing ginawa mo? Ba't nasunog yun?
I think you put different. I think you put not good butter.
Not good
and then
butter?
it burned again.
Girl, you were so kulit. I had to take care of you while I was cooking.
It was so big.
Wow, halika na dito. Mapo ka na. Yummy.